Hello and welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to disable red notification badges on your iPhone apps. Notification badges are those small red circles that appear on app icons, displaying the number of unread notifications or messages. They are designed to catch your attention and inform you of what's going on in each app. While they can be very useful, there might be times when you want to customize the setting to your liking. Let's dive into how you can manage these badges. First, it's important to note that there isn't a universal setting on your iPhone to manage badges for every single app. Instead, you have to handle it on an app-by-app basis. So let's go through the steps with an example using the Instagram app. To start, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you find Instagram in the list of all installed third-party apps on your device. Tap on Instagram and then tap on Notifications. In this section, you'll see various options for managing notifications from Instagram. Look for the Badges option and toggle it off to hide the notification badges. If you decide you want to see the badges again in the future, you can easily turn this toggle back on. The same steps apply to other apps as well. For instance, if you want to disable badges for your Messages app or any other app, you would follow a similar process. Open Settings, navigate to the specific app, go to Notifications, and then toggle off the Badges option. There are also additional settings within the notifications section that you can explore, and you can choose to turn off notifications entirely, manage how they are delivered, and customize other notification preferences according to your needs. This allows you to have full control over how and when you receive notifications from your apps. These steps are applicable to all iPhone models, including the latest iPhone 15 and any other models running the newest iOS version. By managing these settings, you can create a more personalized and less cluttered notification experience on your device. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to disable red notification badges on your iPhone apps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, peace.